Who can resist this cake? It looks expensive and delicious. But believe it or not, it's homemade in just 30 minutes, using only 3 ingredients, one of which is condensed milk. Join me and let's have fun as we build this graham cake. Yes, we're building. This is a no-cook, no-bake cake. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Warm welcome, your Kuya and Uncle here in Holland from Pangasinan, but today, cooking, not cooking. This is a no-cook recipe in Holland. We're making a graham cake, and since it's Christmas, we're giving it a Christmas touch. This recipe also applies for any time of the year. Just do the finishing touches that you desire. Let's start. As you notice, I'm doing this seated, not at the kitchen, but here at the dining table, just to illustrate that you don't need a kitchen to be able to prepare this cake. These are our ingredients. We need graham crackers.
Marie can also be used.
The condensed milk. We have the option among
cream cheese or mascarpone. These are soft cheeses. A popular option if you are in the Philippines or elsewhere would be all-purpose cream, just like Nestle cream, which is widely available. Your choice.
The advantage of using this is you get a firmer cake, less soggy, which is better. For this version, I'll be needing coffee. Instant coffee will do. And as an option, we need liquor. Tanduay rum or any brand of rum will also do. Let's start. I'll be preparing a small portion, just perhaps for 3 people. So I'll be using this very cute container. I'll be using just half of this condensed milk. The rest for my other recipes tomorrow. I prefer to use the cream cheese for this purpose.
Half of this will be enough. I'll keep the rest for breakfast tomorrow.
This is usually my breakfast, so I'm not using it all. Oh, wrong! This is not the right place. No, I shouldn't be using this. Here. I should be doing the whisking here. It doesn't matter. I'll just change this. Yeah.
Messy. I didn't see that from that side. Oh.
Let's start whisking. I just noticed that whisking with the arms down is more tiresome. It's better to whisk it on elbow level like this. It's easier really, you don't get tired. I mean, you don't get tired easily. Instead of that, because of course the weight of your arm interferes. While here, elbow height, elbow level, just move your wrist like this, and it's easy. Here, elbow level. Something I learned from the pros. This is good enough. Let's start assembling our cake. I had to leave to get this container. We will now prepare coffee using cold water.
Dissolving coffee in hot water is preferred in this year, but cool it first before using, or else your crackers will dissolve. And an option to hot water is patience. It always works.
I should have used hot water for this. As an option, I'll be adding some sherry.
Tanduay, vino con la porsyok tong, or any cheap Chinese wine will do.
Just a bit.
Continue stirring as we dissolve the sugar completely into the coffee and liquor mixture.
Wait. I think we need sugar. I'm hesitant to add sugar, but because it might be too sweet, but let's just add a bit.
Yes, I cannot add more than a bit because this is the only sugar I have.
Let's assemble our cake now. First, it's good to wet your cookies like this.
Just wet. Don't soften them. Just wet.
Not too long. That is our first layer. We'll apply the cream.
I'm using a scraping spatula. There should be a better tool than this. Now
Next layer.
on to the second layer. It's easier the second time around. And please don't mind the gap. And apply once again cream. Now the third layer. Let's continue building the layers up. I think with this third layer we've gained mastery. See, as I told you in the introduction, we're not cooking, we're building. This gets easier as we reach the fourth layer. It's easier as we get to the top. This is not similar to mountain climbing. Let's break some crackers to fill the gaps. That was not good. But it works. Look. By the way, do you know the difference between or among cracker biscuits We'll eat
and
the scraps later.
I'm so confused.
No waste here. Now, more cream. And we're ready to build the fifth layer. While building this, I'd also want to share what I'm making next. It's tiramisu, so don't forget to visit that video. It's available on the EC playlist. I think this is the first HE project of my nephew in our local high school. See, no wastage. Even a small piece will find its place. More cream as we reach the topmost layer. And as we make more layers, the more spills we make. This is the topmost. This is the topmost.
Yes, Romulo, for thrills you need spills. I've got here Christmas cookies and we'll use them to decorate the top. And what's Filipino Christmas without parol, so I'll be putting this parol on top.
Not just Christmassy, I realize it's even become more patriotic. 3 stars.
I'm gonna crush this Christmas tree to provide decorations or toppings in between the stars. As fine as you want. If you have a food processor, that would be easy, but I'm illustrating here that it can be manually done. Look at that. Beautiful. I think it's good, huh, cameraman?
I did not get a response.
We can avoid.
How about you, dear friends, viewers? How does it look?
Yeah. Our Christmas graham cake, also known in Argentina as tarta de Maria. Let's put it in the refrigerator and allow the cookie to absorb the cream and soften eventually. Let's clean this tomorrow, but we can clean it now a bit, just the edge. Some discipline in the kitchen.
Let's put it in the refrigerator overnight, and tomorrow we'll have a very delicious Graham cake, Christmas cake. Our simple, no cook, no bake cake, Graham, made for Christmas or for any occasion. Look how beautiful it is. Easy to make, you can also make it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, and better yet, share. Your Korean uncle here in Harlem. Until next time. Bye bye.